Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you are all are safe. As before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready, students. Everyone, sit in your place. Sit, stand, 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 sit, stand. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children, sit in your places. Children, take out your textbook. Recall. Let us recall reading the time from a clock. See, 7 o'clock is dash hours more than 4 o'clock. Yes, 7 o'clock is dash hours more than 4 o'clock. 4 and 7. Yes, see, 7 minus 4. Yes, 7 is more than 3 hours. Yes, 3. What you have to do? You should write 3 hours more than more. Understood? A1. Fill in the blanks is the C. First fill in the blanks 3. Second one. The dash hand takes 1 hour to go around the clock. Which hand? See, in this clock, which hand will take one round? If it will take 1 round, 1 hour will come. Which hand? Minute hand. What is that? Minute hand. Minute. Next, the dash hand is shortest hand on the clock. What is, see in this clock, with shortest hand, what we call? Our hand. What we call? Our hand. Next, the time is dash when both the hour hand and minute hand are on 12. See, already I told you yesterday. Yes, see, this is 12. Yes, 12 o'clock. Sorry, 12 on the 12 minute hand and hour hand both is there means what is the time? 12 o'clock. What is the time? 12 o'clock. Next, 2 hours before 10 o'clock. 2 hours before 10 o'clock. See, this is 10. Yes, before means what? Back. 2 hours. 1, 2. What is the time? 8 o'clock. Understood, children? 2 hours before means what? 8 o'clock. After means 10 o'clock before, after 2 hours means 12 o'clock. Yes or no? You are asking before. Write in the textbook. Children, open your workbook, ma'am. Open your workbook. Recall. Multiple choice questions. The time 1 hour after 4 o'clock is. See, 1 hour after 4 o'clock. After 4 o'clock, 1 hour means what? See, here 4 o'clock. S. 1 hour after 5. S. 5 o'clock. Where it is 5 o'clock? A. Option A. Next. The time 3 hours before 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock before. 12 before. 11, 10, 9. What is that? 12 before 9. Where it is? Option C. Next. 5 o'clock is dash hours after 3 o'clock. Dash hours. 3 o'clock after that, how many hours after that 5 o'clock will come? 2 hours. Where it is? Option C. Yes. Next, multiple choice questions. If the minute hand is at 3 and hour hand is at 9, the time is, see, minute hand is in 3. 3 means what? 15 minutes. Yes. Hour hand is at 9. What is the time? 9:15. Where it is? Option B. Yes. Already I told you. Minute hands will say the minutes, hour hand will say the hours. Short hand is hour hand, long hand is in minute hand. Okay. In the given clock, the number at which the minute hand point is. See, in this given clock, what is that minute hand shows? Which number? 12. Yes. Option A. To get the minutes, we multiply the number at which the minute hand point by. See, what we have to multiply? Already I told you. 5 you should multiply. Yes? Yeah. Should multiply 5. Option B. You can multiply 5 by 5 also you can multiply and you can divide into 5 also. See. 7th one. Fill in the blanks. At 5:15, the minute hand is at. See, 5:15. Minute hand is in at 3 because see, 3:15 means what? Year to year 3. 15 minutes only na? Yes. Quarter means what? 15. Understood? 3. Half means what? 30. Quarter means what? 15. Half means 30. Next. At 9:30. 9:30. The hour hand is between 9 and 10. Yes or no? 9 and 10. If hour hand is in 9 and 10, see, the minute hand is in 6. What is that? 9:30. Yes. 9:30 means what? Hour hand is in 10 and 9 and 10 between. Understood? Next. At 1:45, the minute hand is at 1:45. 1:45 means what? 2 o'clock still 15 minutes is there means minute hand is in 9. Understood? Quarter is there. Quarter means what? 15 minutes is there. Like that. Understood, children? 9. Next. On which number will the minute hand be if the time is 4:20? See, on which number will be minute hand be if the time is 4:20? 4:20 means what? Minute hand is should the 4. Yes, on the 4 you should show. Minute hand is in on the 4 means what? 4:20. Next. How many minutes make on and 1 hour? Tell me. How many minutes? Hour 60 minutes. How many small sections does the hand of the clock cover from the 12 to 1? Already I told you. 12 to 1. How many sections will be? 5 sections. S 5. 5 minutes. Yes or no? Understood, children? What I am saying? Copy. See, children, minute and hour and already I told you. Minute hand is short hand is in hour hand, minute hand is in long hand. Yes, but I didn't say you quarter and see, quarter means what? 15 minutes we will say quarter. Understood, children? 15 minutes we will say quarter. Half means what? 30 minutes we will say half. See? Quarter. Quarter means 1/4 we will say quarter. As see? 15 minutes. Quarter means what? 15 minutes. Half. Half means what? 30 minutes. Understood, children? Quarter, see? Half past. Half past. Half past means what? Already over. Understood? 2:30 over. 3:30 over. 4:30 over. 5:30 over. We'll say half past. Understood? Quarter past means quarter past. That also over. Understood? 1:15 over. 1:30 sorry 2:15 over. 3:15 over. 4:15 over, like that. Understood? See, observe here. See. This 2:15 as past over. Quarter past, that is. Understood? Quarter past means what? 2:15. Understood? Quarter to 2 means what? Still 15 minutes is there. Understood? Quarter to 2 o'clock. Quarter to 3 o'clock, quarter to 5 o'clock, quarter to 7 o'clock means what? Still 15 minutes is there. Past means over. Understood? Children, see, yesterday what you learned? How to draw the clock. Yes, how to draw the clock, you know. And already I told you. In the clock, how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. Yes. Here, 12 to 1, 5 minutes. 12 to 2, 10 minutes. 12 to 3, 15 minutes. 12 to 4, 20 minutes. 12 to 5, 25 minutes. 12 to 6, 30 minutes. 12 to 7, 35 minutes. 12 to 8, 40 minutes. 12 to 9, 45 minutes. 12 to 10, 50 minutes. 12 to 11, 55 minutes. 12 to 12, 60 minutes. As total how many minutes? 60 minutes. As 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. As see, How you'll find the minutes? See, if they given 35 minutes, okay, minute hand where it is, you should say. How you will say? Already I told you 5 minutes it will take. It's taking the gap as year to year 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. You should divide into 5. Understood, children? See. Chapter 7. Time. 7.2. Okay. See, example 7. On which number is the minute hand if the time is as given? See, A, 35 minutes. If the 35 minutes minute hand where it is? See, 35 divided by 5. Yes. 5 ones are, tell me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Yes. 5 into 7. 35 will come. Yes. See, here 35 is here 5 is here. What is the number came? 7. See, minute hand is in 7. Understood, children? Understood? Again, 15 minutes means what? 15 divided by 5 you should do. Yes. 5 ones are, tell me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Yes. This 3 you should write here. Yes. Minute hand is in 3. Understood, children? Next, 40. 40 minutes means what? 40 divided by 5. Again, 5 ones are, you should say. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. Yes. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Yes. Here 8. Minute hand is in 8. Understood, children, what I am saying? See, listen carefully. Already I told you. Yes. See, 35 minutes means what? 7. Yes. Minute hand is in 7. Yes. Year 15. 15 minutes what? Year to year. 15 means which number? 3. See here 3. Yes. Now 40 minutes. See, 40 minutes means 8. Yes or no? See, minute hand is in 8. Understood, children? What I am saying? Are you understand? See, again, if they are asking 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 30 divided by 5 you should do. Yes. 30 minutes means what? 30 divided by 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. Yes. 6. Minute hand is in 6. See, 30 means what? 6. 6 only na? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yes. 6 only. Understood? Minute hand is in 6. Understood, children? These examples you should write in the classwork. Take out your classwork. You should know this. How to find the minute hand. See? Example 7. On which number is the minute hand is at if the time is as given. See, they given the time. S, what is the time? 35 minutes. After that B1, 15 minutes. C1, 40 minutes. S, D1, 30 minutes. S, you should find. How you will find? Already I told you. You should, to find minutes when the minute hand is at the number, we multiply by 5. So, to get the number from the given minutes, we must divide it by 5. Yes or no? Already I told you. Solution. To find minutes when the minutes hand is at a number, we multiply by 5. So, to get number from the given minutes, we must divide it by 5. Understood? Should divide it by 5. Okay, A1. What is that? 35 minutes. S, 35 divided by 5 is equal to, already I told you. What is that? 5 sevens are 35. S, so the minutes hand is at 7. Yes or no? Already I told you. See? 35 means where it will come? Here. Yes? Where? Minute hand is in 7. Yes or no, children? Yeah. Next. B1. 15 divided by 5. 5 threes are 15. So, the minutes and is at 3. C1, what is that? 40 divided by 5. 5 eights are 40. So, the minute and is at 8. You should find this 30. Okay? Find and write. Write in the classwork, ma. See, 30 minutes. 30 divided by 5. 5 6 30. So the minute hand is at 6 you should write. Okay.